Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Easy Apply on LinkedIn. This feature is a real time saver when you're job hunting, as it allows you to apply to multiple positions quickly without filling out lengthy application forms each time. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have multiple LinkedIn profiles. After logging in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn feed where you can see updates from your network. Now look at the top navigation bar of the page. You'll see several options like Home, My Network, and Jobs. Click on Jobs. This will take you to LinkedIn's job search hub, where you can explore opportunities tailored to your profile and preferences. It's designed to help you find roles that match your skills and experience. Once you're on the jobs page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where you can look for specific positions. Click on the search bar and type in the job title or keyword you're interested in, such as marketing manager, software engineer, or whatever role you're seeking. LinkedIn will start showing you relevant results based on your search. After entering your search, you'll see a list of job postings appear. Now here's where the Easy Apply feature comes in. Look at the top of the search results page and you'll find a filter option labeled Easy Apply. Click on it. This filter will narrow down your results to only show jobs that allow you to apply directly through LinkedIn without being redirected to external websites. With the Easy Apply filter active, browse through the list and find a job that interests you. Once you've found one, click on it to open the job description. You'll see a blue button that says Easy Apply. Go ahead and click that button. This is where LinkedIn works its magic by pulling information directly from your profile. A pop-up window will appear, and you'll notice that LinkedIn has automatically filled in some of your basic information, such as your name, email, and phone number. This saves you the hassle of typing everything manually. Review this information to make sure it's accurate, then click Next to proceed. On the following screen, LinkedIn will also attach your resume if you've previously uploaded one to your profile. If you haven't, you can upload one at this stage. Once your resume is in place, click Next again. Now you'll be asked to answer some company-specific questions. These might include things like your availability, salary expectations, or specific qualifications related to the role. Fill out these questions honestly and thoroughly, as they help the employer understand if you're a good fit. After completing them, click Next. You're almost done. The next screen will show a review button. Click on it, and LinkedIn will display a preview of your entire application. This is your chance to double-check everything before submitting, so take a moment to review your answers, resume, and contact details. If everything looks good, click Submit Application. Your application will be sent directly to the employer, and you'll usually receive a confirmation message from LinkedIn letting you know it was successful. And that's it. You've just applied to a job using LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.